Hi there, this is our Arad lathe, European, made in Romania. Very big, heavy European lathe, wide across the bed, heavy construction. It's in really good working condition. Only thing that I noticed is the rapid motor here. Someone's crashed it into something at some part of its life, broken the electric motor cover and fan behind it, and then broken one of the 4 tabs that holds it all together, but that's working fine. It's got a couple of good features, reasonably high top speed here, amp gauge which appears to be working there, your star delta startup, a coolant pump obviously, and a wee switchable neutral brake, which will be a electrical magnet type clutch brake on it for the neutral position. And yeah, so there's those features there. It's got the rapids and yeah, the really nice wide bed. Someone's fitted an electrical safety switch on the chuck guard, and also a bit of a block here that was probably a tool post guard at some stage, I assume. Okay, I'll switch that. That's that coolant pump ticking over there. Start from the back here. You've got your switchboard at the back here. That's all tidy enough there. The bed itself looks good. You've got your rapids, etc. And yeah, all looks good. Okay, we'll start from this end. Tailstock's nice to wind in and out. Feels a little bit rough in one spot up in that taper, but not too bad. You've got your carriage here. It's nice to move. Cross slide's good, and virtually no play in that. And compound slide feels good, and probably less than 1/8 of a turn play in that. I'll run the rapids for you. You might not be able to see that, but that's the cross slide heading away from you, and now back, and carriage heading that way and back. So those are the rapids. They're working nicely, nice to operate. Okay, we'll start it up. There's your star delta there. That amp gauge appears to be working, and yeah, so there it is there. We'll get it going, and then so that's a low speed, that's 100. I'll take you through those feeds. So they're nice to move in that one there. Yeah, and that one's nice to move too. Yeah, so all of those are nice to move in and out. You've got your direction here. I'll engage that lead screw. So that's coming towards me on the carriage, and I'll reverse that direction, and now it's heading away. So that lead screw was nice to engage. Put those feeds into neutral. Whoopsie, I've stopped it. Got it in gear. I'll push the emergency stop. So those are the feeds. That was running nicely. I'll run you through some of the speeds. That's 100. That'll be 80. 125. Take you up to the next range, which will be 160. Oh no, that's not 1255. Take you through to there. There you go, 500. neutral clutch on to speed things up a bit. 400. $630. $250. $200. $160. $800. $1,000. $1,250. And take you to the top speed of 1600. There it is. It's nice to move through the range and nice and quiet through the gears. The neutral clutch works well, and yeah, it ticks over really nicely. So its features are it's really quite wide in the bed, heavy duty, it's got those rapids, it's got the camlock spindle, you know, everything ticks over nicely, and yeah, it's a good heavy